Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make animated lava Fe2. First, let's dive into the fundamental concepts of creating dynamic lava effects. We'll cover setting up your workspace and understanding the key properties that bring your lava to life. This initial step is crucial for building a solid foundation, ensuring your animated lava looks both realistic and visually appealing within the game environment. Get ready to transform static textures into flowing, molten rivers. Next, we'll focus on crafting the visual appearance and motion of your lava. This involves selecting the right color palette and applying gradients to achieve that molten glow. Then, we'll integrate scripting to ensure the lava flows seamlessly, creating a sense of natural movement. Experiment with different speeds and intensities to simulate various types of volcanic activity, from slow oozing to rapid currents. Precision in these steps makes a huge difference. Now, let's elevate your lava with special effects and interactivity. Adding subtle glowing particles and wisps of smoke can dramatically increase realism, making the lava feel truly alive. We'll also explore how to script player interactions, like applying damage upon contact or triggering environmental reactions. Remember to optimize your effects to ensure smooth performance, even with multiple animated elements. These details immerse players in your fiery landscape. Finally, we'll delve into some advanced techniques and crucial optimization tips. Consider using custom shaders to give your lava a truly unique and stylized appearance, pushing the boundaries of visual design. Implementing level of detail systems will help maintain excellent performance across different hardware, ensuring a smooth experience for all players. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources. Keep experimenting to perfect your fiery creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.